This is the service elevator at 2 Allegheny Square in Pittsburgh. It's just fast as the other one.
Look at the opening in the back.
Wow, look at that. We're not going to one garage. This goes to one garage. We're just gonna do one quick ride on this. So this is the freight elevator. L? No. We'll do that in the garage elevators. Doing the actual garage elevators. Here we go. Whoa. You really have the acceleration. Yep, this, as you can tell, this is the freight elevator. This has the same EPCO Classic. You have your phone doors jammed, probably hands-free, ADA compliant. There's your ladder space. This was the service. Oop, going up.
Yeah, right.